Hi, I'm Jay, and today I'm going to talk about how to connect your GeneralAire DH75 or DH100 dehumidifier to Wi-Fi. First, turn your dehumidifier on. After the unit has finished sampling the air, select Settings. In Settings, select Wi-Fi. Select the service you wish to use. The DH75 and DH100 are compatible with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band only. Next, enter the Wi-Fi password. It is important that you use upper and lowercase text to match your existing password. Once connected, download the GeneralAire Wi-Fi app, found in your smart device, App Store, or Google Play. Enter your dehumidifier's PIN number to log in. To find your PIN, select Settings, Mobile App PIN, Your PIN. After entering the 6-digit PIN, you will receive a successful connection message. The refresh button can be used to generate a new 6-digit PIN should you experience Wi-Fi connection issues. You are now able to control your dehumidifier using your smart device control panel.